In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your LinkedIn profile to LinkedIn company pages and LinkedIn school pages. This is a fantastic way to showcase your professional journey and educational background in a seamless and impressive manner. To start, open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn's homepage by typing linkedin.com into your address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. You can do this by using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply by entering your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might require you to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone. This is a simple security step to ensure your account is protected. After successfully logging in, click on your avatar photo located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you should choose View Profile to access your profile settings. Now, it's important to note that LinkedIn doesn't provide a direct function to link your profile with company or school pages. However, you can display your professional affiliations by adding this information in the experience and education sections of your profile. To start with your work experience, head to the experience section of your profile. Here, you'll want to add a new entry for each company you've worked at. Be sure to include the company name, your role or title, as well as the dates you were employed there. This not only links you to the company page indirectly, but also enhances your professional credibility by providing detailed work history. Next, let's move on to your academic background. Navigate to the education section. Just like with your work experience, you'll want to add a new entry for each school you've attended. Don't forget to include the name of the school, the degree you earned, and the dates of attendance. This information helps connect you with the educational institutions you've been part of, giving viewers a fuller picture of your educational background. If at any point you need to update or delete an existing education entry, you can do so easily. Simply click on your profile photo again, then select View Profile. Scroll down to the education section where you can make the necessary changes. By taking these steps, you've successfully showcased your professional and educational experiences on LinkedIn, linking them to your respective company and school pages as part of your profile. This presents a clear and impressive professional image to anyone who views your profile, whether they be potential employers, colleagues, or friends. Thanks for tuning in, and happy networking on LinkedIn.